So I do Raspberry Pi projects, and I'm moving on to the next. And while it's interesting, I'm making a graphing calculator, since I don't already have enough. So, what's my plan? So the first thing I would like to do is start with the software first, then continue from there. So for my GUI for my calculator, I decided to use Python with PySide 6. My plan for it was to have a grid of 7 to 9 apps that could easily be navigated and with a menu, as that was my previous plan. Just going through a tutorial learning PySide 6. I had also pre-made app icons with a pixel art style. While I am only new to PySide 6, I do see its power very easy so far. For my apps that I designed, I did go for calculator, graphs, spreadsheets, geometry. IDE coding on the go. I'd build files. And another plan I had in mind was to sleep the device instead of turning off via the menu, so I don't need to wait forever for my Pi to boot. Although I will have a shutdown so the battery doesn't drain if I know I won't use it. The menu could also be resume, mouse options, keyboard options, sleep, brightness, shutdown. That's all I can think of our end. So as you can see, I have began working on the GUI now. I will automatically full screen my GUI so the user doesn't see all the mess. Checking ChatGPT ... So I am setting the geometry so I can position my apps on the screen, my app grid, which is good. So now I am using the range function to make each app. So for now, I will set a demo style of what each app looks like. First test, that was just the full screen. I'll mess with that later. Time to get our grid working. Not quite there. Not that either. What? Okay, that's close. Okay, nearly perfect, just needs a bit of fine-tuning. Just some more tinkering. Now to add the icons. I'm new to this stuff, started 12 to 15 minutes ago. Let's get the files using os.listdir. Why are those icons so small? Okay, new plan, fix it. So the next step is to use set style sheet as it fills the entire button. More ChatGPT. Right, that should work. Yeah, so back to debugging. Testing with a correct file path. Okay, not what I wanted. Yes, so the ls function is correct, but why doesn't os.listdir work? Looking back for more Python information. Listing all apps, changing my design. Going back again? So yes, this isn't the smartest way, but I change it later. Thinking about more efficient ways than copying and pasting for each one. Part 2. I make a menu. I'm running out of things to say. Alright, let's test. My style sheet doesn't work. Debugging. How have I not seen the issue yet? making it print in the terminal if pressed. Thank you, ChatGPT, for that line of code ... It works. Subscribe, I guess.